good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate your party with you. Come on now. Celebration. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. Celebration. We gon' celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on. It's a celebration. We gon' celebrate and have a good time.
Here we go, now let's all celebrate Ashley and Mark.
It's a celebration.
That's 20 guys, let's all celebrate tonight. Let's keep it going. It's gonna be one of those nights. I can tell.
By the neighborhood, start to climb walls. Ooh, it looks like everybody dancing on the ceiling. Oh, feeling when we're dancing on the ceiling. Oh, feeling when we're dancing on the ceiling.
Mike Jump. Everybody have fun tonight. I hope you're enjoying yourself. We're going to give you a quick breather. Put the music down for you. So, hey, we'll make this a lady's choice. So, ladies, grab yourself a nice looking guy. Or if you don't see one of those, ask your husband. Ladies' choice. Ladies' choice. Here, microphone.
We're doing the Garner bouquet.
Now we're lucky to invite all single ladies who are 18 years of age and older. All single ladies who are 18 years of age and older to come on up. There's a few ground rules, ladies. There'll be no biting, no pulling, and no spitting. Other than that, anything goes and hopefully will, okay? Ladies, are you ready? I'm gonna do a drum roll, Ashley, and then on the count of 3, let it go. Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, ladies. Thank you. And now is the moment in time where Mark gets to remove the garter. Now, they got out of that big limousine, and Mark told me that he was a little bit nervous taking the garter off his lovely wife in front of all his friends and relatives, and he didn't want to mess up or make a mistake. So last night he practiced on his red-haired lady all night, taking the garter on and off, and on and off. Okay. Now we have some background music here. Here we go. Now, Mark, are you ready? Let's see if all that practice pays off. Now, you see, all that practice does make perfect. Good job, Mark. Way to go. And now, we would like to invite all single gentlemen, all single guys, come on up. Even if you're wearing a clip-on tie, you can still come up. Guys, you saw the lovely lady who caught the bouquet. Let's do the drum roll, Mark, okay? Turn around there, we'll do the drum roll. Okay, now, wait a minute, before we do this drum roll, though, I got a question to ask everybody out there who's not out here with the single guys.
You go get
Please, take a look at these guys. Close look, and are we surprised? Huh? All right, now we're gonna do the drum roll, count to 3.
Do it, though.
Here we go, are you ready, Mark? Those not involved, count with me. 1, 2, 3! Now, if we can have the gentleman who caught the garter and the young lady who caught the bouquet, please come on up.
Oh, Joe.
Now, do we have a chair? Okay, we need a chair. Now, do you two know each other? Was this rigged or anything? Do you know each other a little bit? He's not talking. All right. Now, here's the only serious part of my whole show. This gentleman's going to do something, and listen to what he's going to do.
To boldly go where no man has gone before.
Oh, wait a minute. I think I put the wrong CD in. Oh, wait.
Get up there, Jeff. Real high, real high.
No. There is an old saying. It was written a long time ago that says, however far up the leg he goes will determine how long Ashley and Mark will be married. So, you're not doing this for your own personal pleasure. You're doing it for the bride and groom. Now, he has the green light until you tap him on the cheek, and I'm referring to this cheek right here. Okay? So remember, their marriage is in her leg. Any questions? Now, let's find out how long Ashley and Mark will be married. Here we go.
Don't stop.
I think you could go the whole way up around her neck. Remember, the further up the leg, the longer they'll be married. Uh-oh, we're right past the patella, heading toward the inner thigh. Yes, we are at the inner thigh. She is not flinching at all. There's no shaking, no baking. And you can go farther. Okay, 3 months, 2 weeks, and 1 day. Hey, on behalf of the bride and groom, they want to thank everybody who participated in the throwing of the bouquet and the garter. They want to say thank you.